I thank you all for watching my videos. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. We now discuss the solution of a problem from the question paper CSIR National Eligibility Test held in the month of July 2024. This question is from the section Partial Differential Equations, and the question is related to the initial boundary value problem. This question is from the part C. It is a multiple select question. There can be more than one answer and it carries 4.75 marks. The question ID is 704095. This question is also suitable for the aspirants of JL, DL, TS set, AP set, IIT JAM and GATE. Right. The given question is, consider the initial boundary value problem, IBVP in short. The partial differential equation is ut plus u suffix t plus u suffix x is equal to 2u. That is dou u by dou t or del u by del t plus del u by del x is equal to 2u when x greater than 0 and t greater than 0. And u at 0 comma t is given to be 1 plus sin t when t greater than 0. It's a boundary condition because x is equal to 0. U of x comma 0 is equal to e power x cos x where x greater than 0. It is an initial condition because t is equal to 0. So thus we are given an initial boundary value problem. Right. If u is the solution of the IBVP, the initial boundary value problem, then the value of u at 2 pi comma pi by u at pi comma 2 pi is, we are given 4 options. Option 1 e power pi, option 2 e power minus pi, option 3 minus e power pi, option 4 minus e power minus pi. Right. We will now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have del u by del t plus del u by del x is equal to 2u when x greater than 0, t greater than 0. It is called Cauchy's problem, otherwise it is a Lagrange's first order linear partial differential equation. Right. Its characteristic equations are dx by the coefficient of del u by del x, that is 1, is equal to dt by the coefficient of del u by del t, that is 1, is equal to du by 2u, du by 2u. Right. We take the first two equations and integrate. Dx by 1 is equal to dt by 1. Integrating will get x minus t is equal to c1. And we take the second and third. Dt by 1 is equal to du by 2u. Now du by u is equal to 2 times dt. Integrating, you will get ln u is equal to 2t plus ln c2. That is equal to, that will imply ln u is equal to e power ln u is equal to ln of e power 2t into c2. That is ln of c2 into e power 2t. Taking out the ln, you will get u is equal to e power 2t into c2. That is and bringing that e power 2t from right hand side to the left hand side, we will get u into e power minus 2t is equal to C2. And the general solution is given by phi of C1 is equal to C2. That is phi of x minus t is equal to C2 is u, a function of x comma t into e power minus 2t, where phi is an arbitrary function to be determined by the initial and boundary conditions. Right. We continue the discussion in the next slide. So that's the general solution what we got. And in this, put x is equal to 0 in GS. Then you will get phi of minus t is equal to u 0 comma t into e power minus 2t. Now what is u 0 comma t? u 0 comma t, that is the boundary condition, that is 1 plus sine t. This is for u 0 t, we have written 1 plus sine t. Don't forget t greater than 0 into e power minus 2t. Agreed. Now to know the behavior of phi, I will put minus t is equal to y. So y is equal to minus t. Then phi of y is equal to u of 0 comma t, that 1 plus sine of t is minus y into e power minus 2 into t is minus y. And that will be 1 minus sine y into e power 2y. Then what happens? We have converted from t to y. Now t greater than 0. Now y is equal to minus t. When t greater than 0, y is equal to minus t will be less than 0. T greater than 0, but y is equal to minus t. Therefore, y will be less than 0. So that is the one. Don't forget these things. These are very important. Now what is that we want? Phi of x minus t. So substitute for y x minus t. Phi of x minus t is equal to 1 plus sine 1 minus sine of x minus t in whole into e to the power of 2 into x minus t. Now y less than 0 in the above, but now in the place of y we are writing x minus t. Therefore y less than 0 will imply x minus t less than 0. This is very important. Right. So now phi of x minus t is how much? uxt into e power minus 2t. So u of x comma t into e power minus 2t is equal to in brackets 1 minus sine of x minus t bracket close e to the power of 2 into x minus t. And this is true when x minus t less than 0, that is x less than t. Right. This is very important. And this will imply u x t, that is that will be equal to, send this e power minus 2t to the other side, then it will be on the right hand side, it will multiply by e power 2t, then 1 minus sine of x minus t in brackets into e power 2x, because when you multiply by e to the power of 2t, that will cancel and you will get e to the power of 2x. And this is true when x less than t. Very important, very important. Right, we got it. Now second, put t is equal to 0 in the GS. So you will get phi of x is equal to u of x comma 0. T is 0 means initial condition. And that is equal to u of x comma 0 is e power x into cos x when x greater than 0. Be careful. Right. Now, we want phi of x minus t. In the place of x, replace by x minus t. So phi of x minus t is equal to e power, in the place of x, x minus t into cos of x minus t. In the above equation, x greater than 0. Now in the place of x, we are putting x minus t. Therefore, x minus t greater than 0. Yeah, this condition is very important. Now, what is phi of x minus t? U of x comma t into e power minus 2t. So that will be equal to u of x comma t into e to the power of minus 2t is equal to e to the power of x minus t into cos of x minus t. And this is true when x minus t greater than 0, that is x greater than t. Now send this e power minus 2t to the other side. Then you will get uxt is equal to e power x minus t into e power 2t. That is e power x plus t into cos of x minus t when x greater than t. Right. We continue the discussion in the next slide. Right, that's what we have. When x less than t, this is the solution. When x greater than t, this is the solution. Right. So these solutions we got by applying the initial and boundary conditions that are given to us. We got these things. Now what is that we want? We want to find the value of u at 2 pi comma pi by u at pi comma 2 pi. Right. Now if we want u 2 pi comma pi, 2 pi is in the x place and pi is in the t place. So that means x greater than t. 2 pi greater than pi, x greater than t. So we have to use the second formula, this one. So now u of 2 pi comma pi and 2 pi greater than pi, 2 pi is in the place of x and pi is in the place of t, therefore x greater than t. We use e power x plus t into cos of x minus t when x is 2 pi, y is pi. Substitute in this. So this will be e to the power of x is 2 pi plus t is pi, 2 pi plus pi into cos of 2 pi minus pi. And cos of 2 pi minus pi is cos pi is minus e to the power of 2 pi plus pi is e to the power of 3 pi. So these are very important, x greater than t, x less than t. And on the other hand, in the denominator u at pi comma 2 pi, pi is pi is in the place of x and t is in the place of 2 pi and pi less than 2 pi, therefore x less than t. That is the first formula you have to use. So u of pi comma 2 pi is equal to, in the first formula, 1 minus sine of x minus t into e power 2x to be evaluated when x is equal to pi and y is equal to 2 pi. Now substitute in this. 1 minus sine of pi minus 2 pi, t is 2 pi, into e to the power of 2x, that is x is pi, that is 2 pi. And this is sine of minus pi. Sine of minus pi is plus sine pi, minus sine pi, minus into minus plus, sine pi is anyway 0. So 1 into e to the power of 2 pi, that is e to the power of 2 pi. Therefore, the value of u at 2 pi comma pi by the value of u at pi comma 2 pi is equal to e to the minus e to the power of 3 pi by e to the power of 2 pi. Cancellation takes place and that is equal to minus e power pi. Let's look at our options. Our answer appears against option 3. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 3. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of this problem. And it is definitely, in one way, an easy question. But how this x less than t, x greater than t you are getting, that's the issue there. So you can do this like this. Right. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I thank you all for watching my videos. Please like them and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. I wish you all the best. Thank you.